meeting for all Ponyville Pegasi. Library tonight. Be cool or be mute. No offense.
None taken.
All right, go on in. Find a seat. Oh. You too, Fluttershy. Come on, let's go.
My little pony, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Do you know you're all my very best friends?
Every living thing depends on the life-giving nourishment of rainwater. And it is up to Cloudsdale to provide rain-filled clouds to every corner of Equestria. But how, one pony might ask, does Cloudsdale gather all this extra water? Tornado power! That's right, Pegasi-driven tornado power. A team of Pegasi combine their wing power to create a jumbo tornado, powerful enough to pull water out of the local reservoir and funnel it all the way up to Cloudsdale. Remember, Pegasi, your jumbo tornado must reach a minimum of 800 wing power to lift that water up to Cloudsdale. So, the next time you're wondering, where does all that extra rainwater come from, just remember.
Intermission? So, here's the scoop. Cloudsdale has chosen our own Highland Reservoir as the source of the rainwater they need for all of Equestria. And you know what that means. It means it's up to Ponyville's Pegasi to bring that water up to Cloudsdale. Not only that, but Spitfire, captain of the Wonderbolts, will be here to oversee the water transfer and record our top tornado wind speed. Now, last year, Philadelphia broke the wind speed record with a top speed of 910 wing power. But I think we can do better. I think we can get a top speed over 1,000. If each and every pony trains hard to get their wing power numbers up. That coughing better be from a popcorn kernel, Thunderlane. No ponies getting sick on my watch. So, are we gonna train hard? Yeah! Are we gonna be strong? Yeah! Are we gonna be fast? Yeah! Record-smashing fast?
Yeah!
Who's with me? Fluttershy. Stretch those glutes, Splitter. Nice flexibility, Cloud Chaser. A little too much flexibility, Blossomforth. Some pony give Blossomforth the hoof. Let's see some faster trotting, Thunderlane. Good pace, Silverspeed. Keep it up. We're gonna need all the wing power we can get to break that record.
Yeah!
Good work, every pony. Every pony except Fluttershy. Fluttershy, I know you're in there. You're avoiding tornado duty, and I want to know why. Fluttershy, open.
Achoo! Hi, Rainbow Dash.
Fluttershy, what happened to you?
Oh, I think I have the pony pox. I'm sorry. I really wanted to come to training day today. But this pony pox has really knocked me for a loop. Achoo!
Oh, you poor thing. You know, there's only one cure for ponypox.
I know. Plenty of better.
Cold water. Those ponypox are clearing right up.
You know, all of a sudden I'm starting to feel better. I'll just get out of these robes and... Ow! Oh, my wing. Oh, ow, it's hurt. I guess I can't fly after it.
Messed up wing, huh? Stop horsing around, Fluttershy. We You've got a lot of training to do. Come on now. What's going on?
Well, you see, oh, Rainbow Dash, I just can't do it. I can't fly.
What are you talking about? Just last week you went into that wicked nosedive to save that falling baby bird right before it hit the ground.
But that was different. That was an emergency. This whole tornado thing, it's more like a performance. And you know how I hate performing in front of others. Don't you remember flight camp? I couldn't gallop hard or fly fast. Not with every pony looking at me.
It wasn't that bad.
You're right, Rainbow Dash. It wasn't bad. It was horrible. All the other things used to tease me. A lot.
Fluttershy, Fluttershy, Fluttershy can hardly fly.
I just can't risk that sort of humiliation again.
Suck it up, Fluttershy. This is no time for... I mean, confidence or no confidence. I'm gonna need every Pegasus to break the record, including you. I need every ounce of wing power I can get.
Oh, I don't think so, Rainbow Dash.
Thanks anyway.
Wait. I'll do it.
You will?
I will.
You're game?
I'm game.
All right! What exactly does this machine do?
This is an anemometer. It measures your accelerative velocity and translates it into wing power, thus gauging your cumulative H2O anti-gravitational potential. Any other questions?
Yeah. What exactly does this machine do?
It tells you how fast you're flying and how strong your wings are.
Oh, okay, yes. Is that you again, Thunderlane? Please, we need to have a germ-free environment.
It wasn't me, it was Blossomforth.
Don't worry, Twilight. Thunderlane's just cooking up an excuse to spend Tornado Day in bed. Why don't you get over here and be our first test flyer, Thunderlane?
We have 9.3 wing power.
Wow, that's fast! Not bad, not bad. Up to at least 10.0 wing power by the end of the week, we'll no doubt set a new tornado speed record. We'll be number one! Impressive! Fluttershy, your turn.
Tell her.
No, you tell her.
No, you.
Great job, Fluttershy. You measured, 0.5. 0.5? Isn't that like less than one? Ow! Fluttershy, wait! So some punks poked a little fun at you when you got stage fright. Big deal. You aren't gonna go quit just because of that, are you?
Yes! But I need you! I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash. I just don't have the courage right now. Thank you, but I'm afraid a couple of little acorns won't solve my big flying problem. I tried, but you should have seen those ponies laughing at me. I know it's important to have confidence in myself. Yes, I do remember. The river was swelling. And you were scared. Yes, I did tell you to never give up. And to believe in yourself. You're right, my friends. I shouldn't give up. I will get my confidence up and show every pony that I am a good flyer. A great flyer. That's wonderful, Flitter. Much better than yesterday.
This is crazy awesome! We're gonna smash that record! What did he say?
Do I look like I speak squirrel?
What's that?
That has to be some kind of mistake. I worked so hard. Fluttershy, that's a huge improvement.
You did awesome, Fluttershy.
No, I didn't. I thought I'd gotten over my nerves, but they still got the best of me. There's no way I'll fly with 10.0 wing power tomorrow.
So you won't fly with 10.0 wing power. Every bit counts.
How would you feel if every pony else was flying with 10.0 wing power and you were flying with 2.5?
Actually, it was only 2.3 and... Ow! Well, I'd feel...
Exactly! Humiliated! I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash. I just can't do it.
It's okay, Rainbow Dash. You still got plenty of wing power for your tornado. You'll be able to lift tons of water up to Cloudsdale. If only there was a way to lift Fluttershy out of the dumps. Are we ready to do this? Look! Lazy Thunderlane, where is he? He's been trying to get out of tornado duty the whole with his fake coughing and all. Rumble, where's your lazy brother?
He's got the feather flu. He's down at Ponyville Hospital.
But he's not the only one.
Let's see, with those 8 sick Pegasi out with the feather flu. Oh no!
Don't tell me we won't be able to break the wind speed record.
No? You might not have enough wing power to create a tornado powerful enough to lift the water to Cloudsdale.
Well, should we pack up? No! Of course not! Forget the record! Cloudsdale still needs water! Okay, every pony, let's give it all we've got! On the sound of the horn, we take off! You think they're gonna make it to 800 wing power?
I sure hope so. 150 wing power. 250 wing power. 500 wing power. 750 wing power.
Twilight!
Fluttershy, what are you doing here?
I figured if I couldn't help Rainbow Dash with the tornado, the least I could do was offer moral support.
She could sure use it, considering the 8 Pegasi are sick with the feather flu.
Oh no! That's terrible news!
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, you were so close to the 800 wing power minimum. I'm sorry, Rainbow Dash.
We've got to try again!
But you pushed your crew to their limit already. If you break apart again, some pony could get hurt. You should quit. It's not safe.
No! One more time! I gotta know we gave it our all! If I'm going down, I'm going down flying! Come on, ponies! Let's make this happen!
Okay, here we go. 100 wing power. 200. 500.
Stay in position! Flap those wings! Faster!
700. 750 wing power.
They fell apart right after this!
I'm too nervous to look!
Come on! Just a little harder! I can see the water trying to funnel through!
795. They are so close. Fluttershy, they need you up there.
I won't make a difference!
You can make a difference.
My measly 2.3 wing power is still too little!
It's sticking at 795! I don't know if they got any more in them!
Do it for Equestria. Do it for Rainbow Dash. Do it for yourself. It's moving. She's doing it. 798. She surpassed her best wing power number.
What was that? I think it was Fluttershy.
She did it. She did it. They all did it.
Did we do it?
Yeah, we did it! You did it!
Great job, Fluttershy! That was awesome!
Yeah, we couldn't have done it without you.
Nice job, Rainbow Dash. You may not have set a new record, but you showed a lot of guts.
Thanks! But if you want to talk guts, then you gotta give it to my #1 flyer, Fluttershy! Let's hear it for Fluttershy! 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 Fluttershy can really fly!
Dear Princess Celestia, sometimes you can feel like what you have to offer is too little to make a difference. But today, I learned that every pony's contribution is important, no matter how small. If you just keep your head high, do your best, and believe in yourself, anything can happen.
There's a place where puppies and kittens play together, and where rainbows
Punch holes in the sky! That place is Saturdays on the Hut, where ponies fight big, where girls shred guitars, and where puppies are masters of the sky. Saturdays at noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, or